Hey guys, Justin here with BDS Suspension. I am really excited for what's laid out on the table in front of me and what's behind me. That's right, the time has come. Our BDS Suspension 5 and 7-inch lift kits for the Toyota Tundra 2022 and up are ready. They're here. I've got one in front of me. Let's take a look at what we got on the table here. So first and foremost, okay, this new Tundra, amazing package, straight out of the box from Toyota. I mean, it really is. We went to work, designed from scratch, fresh new knuckle. To go along with the knuckle, upper control arms, of course, can't do one without the other. And then, as you can see here, we got it paired with Fox Performance Elite Series coilover replacement for the front. One of my favorite features, the rear. We got a dual rate spring in the rear. If you've been around the Jeep area for a while, or some off-road racing, you know dual rate springs are where it's at. We're storing energy at ride height. We've got a lot more droop travel, just a lot more suspension travel in general. And to me, it allows for a much better tuned shock. So that dual rate suspension system, you know, very, very important on the rear. These trucks are different, right? With that coil spring technology, that's a huge game changer for the full-size truck market. It's something that Toyota captures really well. Looking ahead, all the supporting cast is here. That's right, we got your drop cross members, heavy duty stuff, right? Tie rod ends, sway bar links, everything to do this right. We're not gonna give you a few pieces here and there and say, hey, you know, you're gonna have to go to this vendor and get that, or you gotta call this company to get this other thing. One-stop shop right here at BDS. This is a complete kit ready to transform your Tundra from stock to wild, right? 5 inches, 7 inches, 35s, 37s. These are amazing trucks out of the box with this kit on it. Unbelievable. I have enjoyed putting a ton of test miles on this thing, and we know you will too. So stop on over at bdssuspension.com. Check out these 22 and up Tundra 5 and 7-inch kits for your Tundra.